Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Someone once said, buying an OPPO Find X9 Ultra and ignoring master mode is a waste. Okay, I made that up. But with the OPPO Find X9 Ultra, it honestly feels true. It's that good. Easy, addictive, and once you start, you won't stop. We took it to Hong Kong and shot a ton, mostly in master mode. So no fluff here, just what matters. Camera upgrades and real-world results. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. All right, let's get right into the unboxing. Master mode is the core of this phone. The detail? Insane. Colors? Classic Hasselblad, natural and clean. If you've used it, you know the feeling. We also use the 50-megapixel JPG Max a lot. Solid results there too. But here's the twist. The X9 Ultra completely redesigns master mode. You now get 9 built-in master films, basically OPPO's first digital film system. And yes, 3 new high-contrast black and white styles. Even better, you can use them outside master mode too. Take Rich Film, inspired by Ricoh's positive film look. Whites get a cool blue tint, perfect for skylines and beaches. Hong Kong started cloudy, but when the sun hit, this filter made skyline shots pop. And Hong Kong's colorful buildings, Rich Film makes them stand out even more. Even random street signs suddenly look cinematic. Then there's black and white contrast. Think Ricoh-style monochrome, but slightly toned down. Great for street shots, especially people, but it's flexible, works on buildings and landscapes too. Honestly, it made me shoot way more in black and white. Now, Holland Film, inspired by Kodak Portra 400. Warm tones, soft feel, handles tricky light beautifully. In Hong Kong's streets, especially low-contrast scenes, it delivers that nostalgic retro vibe. And it doesn't stop there. You can now save and share your custom presets, tweak settings, export them, even import others with one tap. It's like swapping creative styles instantly. Now, hardware. This is where things get serious. The main camera packs a 200-megapixel Sony LYT-901 sensor with an f1.5 aperture, bigger than before, pulling in about 10% more light. Daytime shots huge dynamic range. Sky, clouds, water, all balanced perfectly. At night, still clean. Even shooting Victoria Harbor with just city lights. No overprocessing, just natural results. And that 200-megapixel sensor, super flexible. Cropped to 28mm or 35mm, you still get sharp 25-megapixel shots. Go 2x at 47mm, still 50 megapixels. Every pixel counts here. Now the telephoto. The 3x lens, 70mm, also gets a 200-megapixel upgrade. Bigger sensor, f2.2 aperture, and 136% more light. 70mm is that sweet spot. Great for portraits, keeps background context. Now it's even better. Day or night, it delivers, and you can crop up to 6x 139mm and still get detailed 50-megapixel images. Plus, new prism tech boosts focus and brightness. Portraits look sharper even in tough lighting. And because this 3x lens is so powerful, OPPO ditched the old 6x. Instead, you get something wild, a 10x optical zoom telephoto, Hasselblad-tuned. Using a periscope prism and new optical tech, OPPO squeezed a true 230mm lens into a phone. Yeah, that's a big deal. The Find X9 Ultra sliding into your pocket feels unreal. It's compact, but the camera power? Crazy. Perfect for concerts, sure, but that 10x telephoto? It shines way beyond the stage. Hong Kong was the perfect test. Tight buildings, layered streets, insane depth everywhere. That 10x compression? Game-changing. We shot Kennedy Town's coastline, framed a church through a sculpture, captured boats at Victoria Harbor at night, and zoomed into details your eyes would miss. And it's not just for cities. This 10X lens kills it for portraits too. That compressed background look, super clean. Now pair that with upgraded 200-megapixel sensors on both the 1X and 3X cameras. Flexibility goes next level. Crop, zoom, reframe, still sharp. Hasselblad Ultra Light Mode even delivers 8K level detail across 6 focal lengths. Burst shooting gets better too. In 200-megapixel ultra light, you can snap another shot almost instantly. No waiting, the phone processes in the background, so you never miss the moment. There's also a quiet but powerful upgrade, a second-gen color system. You get DCG HDR with up to 15 stops of dynamic range, plus OPPO's tuning and Lumo Pro XDR. In video, colors look natural. Skin tones, textures, soft, real, not over-sharpened. Now, video. This phone means business. You get a new log2 curve and 8K at 30 FPS in log. Add LUTs and the dynamic range really pops. You can even import up to 10 3D LUTs, preview them live, or bake them into footage while shooting. Huge for creators. Design? Also worth a look. The new Earth colorway takes inspiration from the Hasselblad X2D 100C Earth Explorer Plus limited edition. Metal meets leather, feels like a real camera. Details matter here too. The bright orange shutter button isn't just for looks. Double press to launch, half press to focus, slide to zoom. It feels tactile, almost like using a pro camera. The camera module, symmetrical master eye design with gold accents. And yes, even an orange ring at the bottom, classic Hasselblad vibes. On the software side, ColorOS 16 brings a fresh feel. The music player uses a capsule-style bar. Tap to expand, see album art, even switch to full-screen lyrics. Clean and simple. The home screen gets smarter too. Apps can auto-sort by category or even by color. Sounds small, but it looks super satisfying. And if you don't like it, one tap and you're back to your old layout. So yeah, the OPPO Find X9 Ultra stands out. Dual 200-megapixel cameras, wider zoom range, true high-res output, and that 10X Hasselblad telephoto, one of the best out there, not just for niche shots, but everyday use. And it's not just hardware. Features like the Hasselblad Master Film System and 10K 8K log push this into pro territory. It's basically a Hasselblad camera in your pocket. Pricing? The Earth Edition starts at 11,999 yuan in China, around $1,759 in the US. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.